Hi folks, in this tutorial I'm going to explain you how to download a Git repository into Eclipse project and also commit the changes from Eclipse project back to GitHub. So if you see, I have a very simple basic Java class, and to download into Eclipse, first you can just take the URL of that particular Git repository. So I just copied into clipboard, and now I'll go to Eclipse. So in the Eclipse, if you don't see the option for Git repository to clone, so you can just simply search in a quick access with the words clone a Git repository. So you will get an immediate option. So once you click this, you will get a pop-up. Since I have already copied into clipboard, this URL is already filled with the details, and you need to enter your username and password of the GitHub, and later you need to select the branch, which branch you need to select from the repository. So once that is done, you need to have a local machine Git repository. So by default I have already created in Git test. So now that particular files are downloaded into that particular local repository. So now most of the people are facing issue here that they're not able to see this particular project in the Project Explorer. So to get those particular files into Project Explorer, first you need to click on the Git repository and then click on import projects. So once you do import projects, here this is a workspace project. So here as I already told, I have a Git project with the name Git test. So I just selected it, and later I need to select a folder of the Eclipse project. So I have selected git test/git test. So I'll just going to select this and then click on finish. So once it is done, now if I go to Project Explorer, I'll be able to see the project here. Now I'll show that it will be the same Java class which I shown in the GitHub page. Now I'll explain you how to commit changes from this particular Eclipse into Git repository back. So to show that, so what I'll do is, like in my Eclipse in the Java class, I'll just simply write one comment saying that I had committed these changes from this particular Eclipse IDE. So now you can see I written the line commented this line from the Eclipse IDE, but as of now it's not reflected in Git repository. So to reflect that, you need to click on the project and then select the option as team and click on commit. So once you click this, so you should make sure that particular Java class in the staged changes, and you need to enter the commit message. So here I'm going to write as commit from AAT in Eclipse IDE. So once that is done, you just need to click on commit and push. So and also you can see the progress at the bottom. So once it's successfully performed, now if you go back to Git URL, so you'll be able to see those changes whatever we have performed in the Eclipse IDE. So now I'll go to my GitHub page and I'll just refresh this. So now you can see that whatever the changes I have done in Eclipse, it's reflecting the Git repository. Thanks guys for watching the video.